Today we are at Jamalabad Fort, which is well known as Gadaikallu. It is a trekking destination with medium difficulty level. This fort is an old hilltop fortification in Belthangadi taluk of Dakshina Kannada district of Karnataka. And this huge hilltop is a part of Kudremukh range of hills with the prominence of 1700 feet from the sea level. Entry to the fort is between 6 am to 4 pm and overnight stay on the fort is not at all allowed. At the base of hill there is a forest checkpost where visitors has to pay entry fees of minimum 50 per person. Hi guys. Chalo. It's 9th time I'm visiting this fort and today I'm here with my friends to explore this beautiful rocky and huge mountain once again. The peak is 520 meters above the sea level and surrounding area is 200 meters less than the sea level, which means trek is considerably steep. Try to carry food and plenty of water as there is no fresh water available on the top.
Oh my god, I miss this, bro.
Please keep a camera on him.
Hey, Melike.
Hey, take water bottle now. We can't survive without that. Come on, Vishnu. Hey, Vishnu. Bottle what behind that?
Try to avoid planning this trip in the rainy season. As you can see, the rock will become extremely slippery, so there is a high chance you
Hey,
may slip and fall.
step a leg forward.
And as this peak is very steep, it is very risky if you are planning in the rainy season. So think wisely and plan.
Now he's getting a good vlog.
Thank you.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಫುಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
Shruti, guys, must
That's very slippery there.
No, it's not. My shoes are not even gripped one.
Vishnu, cover that now.
Come on, Mitwa. You can. Climb.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
The fort is accessible via a narrow path with around 1876 steps that which are cut out of the big granite hill.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways,
पकड़ ले इसको। आपको वाटर से आपको मुंह पे लगाने का भी मन नहीं कर रहा है।
Govindan.
So we almost reached the top. Almost some 1000 feet above. 1000 steps we came up.
No, I don't want no rest.
You look so amazing.
Around these
not such easy, it's not too high, but the thing is the steps are too high to climb, so it feels so difficulty.
According to locals, the fort was built by Tipu Sultan in 1794 and it is being built to serve as a watchtower to see the things around when enemies are attacking.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
If you have visited this place, please comment below and mention how is your experience on this beautiful rock.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the
Here we have a professional photographer.
turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
If you are a regular traveler, I suggest you to carry your own stove, vessels, food. You better cook. Have some food on the top of the mountain with the best view you can ever get.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways,
Yes.
and
Come on.
till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go
Both are on high.
through the wastelands, through the
On the top of the fort, there is a tank to store rainwater, which served the complete water supply for the fort whichever it's needed. Nothing much of the fort fortifications remain, but some hints of the fort walls and some single cannon was lying on the top.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
If you are still watching this, that means I feel you liked the video. Please support me by liking the video, share, and please subscribe to my channel and support me.
So we have finished our trek. We are going back.
Hello guys. We'll meet you in next vlog.
Share, subscribe, like, right for
Please. Bye.